Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is iTrend Futura located in Mahalunge, Pune, a project developed by Sahil Properties. And in this video we will be discussing about project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, parking, master plan, carpet area analysis, floor plan, position, current construction status and the pros and cons of the project. But before starting, आइए जानते हैं that what is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हम हाउसिंग में आपको कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टली बिल्डर्स के साथ. हाउसिंग में लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं. फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी. So now let's start with the project overview. So ये प्रोजेक्ट आपको टोटल 6 एकर्स के लैंड पार्सल में मिलेगा, जिसमें आपको मिलेंगे टोटल 6 टावर्स विद ईच टावर ऑफ ग्राउंड प्लस 26 फ्लोर्स हैविंग 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. So now let's discuss the location and connectivity of this project. So this project is located on Nande Balewadi Road in Mahalunge, Pune. एंड यहाँ से आपको इन्फोसिस सर्कल मिलेगा 3.7 किलोमीटर्स में, डी मार्ट आपको 4.9 किलोमीटर्स में मिल जाएगा एंड मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे इज 4 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम दिस प्रोजेक्ट. सो एज आप देख सकते हो हम आ चुके हैं इनके सेल्स ऑफिस पे. सो दिस इज योर सेल्स ऑफिस एंड हम सेल्स ऑफिस के एग्जैक्टली सामने खड़े हैं एंड साइड में चल रहा है इनका कंस्ट्रक्शन. Now let's discuss the amenities part. First one is the internal amenities. So ये project में आपको मिलेगा vitrified tiles, granite kitchen, powder coated siding window, SS sink and many more. And now बात करेंगे the external amenities की. तो यहाँ पे आपको 25 plus luxurious amenities मिलेंगे like of garden area, the club house, kids play area मिल जाती है. And now this is your basketball court, swimming pool with deck मिल जाता है. And ये जो amenities है आपको पोडियम के रूफ टॉप लेवल पे एमिनिटीज मिलने वाली है. एंड नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द पार्किंग. सो ये प्रोजेक्ट में आपको पोडियम लेवल पार्किंग मिलने वाली है.
Now let's do the master plan and carpet area analysis. This is the master plan of Sahil iTrend Futura. As you can see in the image, this project consists of 6 towers in 6 acre of land parcel. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plans. Here you can see in the image. This is the typical floor plan of Tower A and Tower B, having 8 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases per floor with 4 flats of 2 BHK and 4 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Here you can see in this images. These are the typical floor plan of Tower C and Tower D, having 9 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases per floor with 7 flats of 2 BHK and 2 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Here you can see this is the typical floor plan of Tower E and Tower F, having 8 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases per floors with 4 flats of 2 BHK and 4 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Let's now look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 669 square feet to 726 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 776 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 987 square feet. And this is the unit plan of Simplex 2+2, 1342 square feet.
Now बात करते हैं पोजीशन की. सो पोजीशन डेट अगर हम बात करें तो कुछ टावर्स दैट इज टावर बी, सी एंड द टावर ई, इनका पोजीशन आपको मिलेगा दिसंबर 2026 से. ये है टारगेट पोजीशन बाय द डेवलपर. सो नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द कंस्ट्रक्शन अपडेट ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. सो मेरे ठीक पीछे आप देख सकते हो दिस इज द टावर ए व्हिच इज बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड एंड उसके साइड में आपको मिलेगा टावर बी एंड टावर सी एंड देन कम्स द टावर डी, देन टावर ई एंड देन दिस साइड is Tower F. So Tower A, Tower D and Tower F, इनका आपको 20 to 30% वर्क completed दिख रहा है and the remaining tower that is B, C and the Tower E, इनका आपको 70 to 80% वर्क completed मिलेगा. Now the most interesting part, that is the pros and cons of the project. First comes the pros. This project is being constructed by the Sahil Properties, so you will be getting the timely possession with the quality construction. As mentioned, this project will be having 35 plus luxurious amenities. So if amenities is your preference, then this project suits you perfectly. And all the apartments of this project are in east and west facing direction. So if you are a firm believer in Vastu, then this project fits you perfectly as the Vastu compliance flat. Now the cons part. Towers are facing in such a way that they are blocking the garden facing apartment. Simultaneously, you will be getting the less sunlight and ventilation. And this project is little bit in inner side, so it will take some time to develop this area. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is Sahil iTwin Futura, which is located in Mahalunge, Pune by Sahil Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.